$50,000 a year to be the mascot of BU. But as a citizen of the United States, Rhett must pay taxes on his paycheck to the Internal Revenue Service. In the U.S., there are three kinds of federal taxes: Social Security tax, Medicare tax, and income tax. Calculating Social Security and Medicare taxes, known as payroll taxes or under the Federal Insurance Contributions Act, is easy. Together, they add up to 15.3% of your total income. Income tax, however, uses a different system. To figure out how much Rhett owes in federal taxes, we calculate it based on the Schedule of Marginal Tax Rates. This means that Rhett pays a different tax rate for each part of his income. As he makes $50,000 a year, this means that he'll pay 10% on his income up to $8,925, 15% on his income between $8,925 and $36,250, and 25% on his remaining income between $36,250 and $87,850. Therefore, his total income tax is $8,428.75. In January, BU mailed Rhett this tax and wage statement known as a W-2. It breaks down how much he earned in the year and how much was taken out in taxes. The most important information is in Box 1, his annual wage, and Box 2, withheld federal income tax. Here's what the 1040 Easy form looks like. As you can see, we already filled in Rhett's biographical information. On line 1, we enter Rhett's wage, as shown in Box 1 on his W-2, $50,000. Rhett does not have any taxable interest or unemployment compensation. For line 4, we find Rhett's adjusted gross income by adding together lines 1, 2, and 3, which is $50,000. We skip line 5 as Rhett cannot be claimed as a dependent. On line 6, we subtract line 5 from line 4 to find Rhett's taxable income, in this case $50,000. Next, we move to the payments section. Line 7 is how much tax has already been withheld from Rhett's paycheck, as shown in Box 2 on Rhett's W-2, $10,000. Rhett does not qualify for the Earned Income Tax Credit or the non-taxable combat pay election. To find his total payments and credits, we add lines 7 and 8A to get $10,000. Line 10 is how much tax Rhett owes, which we calculated previously as $8,428.75. To determine whether Rhett is receiving a refund check or he owes extra taxes, we see which one is bigger, his taxable or how much tax he's been withheld and how much tax he owes. In Rhett's case, he's paid extra taxes, more than what he owes. So he'll get a refund check from the IRS. We find this by subtracting $8,428.75 from the $10,000 that Rhett has already sent to the IRS. His refund check will be $1,571.25. Rhett's all done. Now he just has to mail his return to